tow companies are still catching up from yesterday's storm. They're working to get stranded vehicles like this one off the interstates.
It's a big job, but they are bracing for more of this tomorrow. KCCI's Marcus McIntosh rolled along with the tow truck drivers. They cleared off some of the big rigs off I-80.
This semi behind me that's being towed from the median on I-80 westbound near Newton is one example of the work tow truck drivers put in after the blizzard ends.
We have 2 trucks in the median.
Eric Long is a tow truck driver for Hannafin Towing in Des Moines. He got the call to come to work Wednesday morning as slick conditions started causing problems.
I was woken up at 3:30 for one at Grand Prairie Parkway initially, and it was a jackknife truck and trailer underneath the overpass.
A job he deemed unsafe due to the conditions.
Just because the snow and the wind and how that road is, it's coming over, you come over the top of a hill. 2 lines doubled up.
Thursday, the conditions are much better.
Kind of flip it out.
And the left lane of I-80 westbound was closed so they can safely do their jobs.
So I just need to make sure that it stays down.
The mud under this semi may be problematic. Regardless, Long is happy they were able to get out onto the interstate to tow this semi out of the median Thursday morning.
Most of the time it's after rush hour, but since we have a storm coming tonight again with more snow, they kind of want to try to get as much stuff out now. On this side,
Long and Hannafin Towing are now preparing for the next round of snow. In Newton, Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Man.